everyone, in this video I am going to tell you all what is random module in Python, so let's get started. What is random module? The random module is a built-in module to generate the pseudo-random variables. It can be used to perform some action randomly, such as to get a random number, selecting a random elements from a list, shuffle elements randomly. Right now on the screen you are watching one example of random module. Please watch it carefully, otherwise you won't learn it correctly. So I hope that you all understood this random module. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you all in my next video. In that video we are going to make a game. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.